Arrowroot is a traditional crop widely grown in many rural areas of Vietnam. It is valued not only as a food ingredient, but also for its cooling and medicinal properties. To produce high-quality arrowroot starch, farmers and producers must follow a careful and The process begins with planting and cultivating arrowroot vines. The plant usually takes 1 to 2 years to mature. When the roots grow large, firm, and rich in starch, they are ready to be harvested. During harvesting, only healthy roots are selected, while damaged or immature ones are removed to ensure the best final product. Next, the harvested arrowroot roots are thoroughly washed with clean water to remove soil, sand, and other impurities. After washing, the brown outer skin is carefully peeled away, leaving only the white inner flesh. This step is very important because any remaining skin can affect the color and purity of the starch. The cleaned roots are then crushed or ground into a fine pulp. This pulp is mixed with clean water and filtered through cloth or fine sieves to separate the fiber from the starch-rich liquid. The filtered liquid is left to settle for several hours, allowing the starch to sink to the bottom of the container. Once the starch has fully settled, the clear water on top is gently poured off. The starch is washed several more times with clean water to remove any remaining odor and impurities. Repeated washing helps produce starch that is whiter, smoother, and purer. Finally, the wet starch is dried naturally under the sun or dried using controlled drying methods. After drying completely, the starch is broken into small pieces, sorted, and packaged for storage and use. The final product is pure white arrowroot starch, commonly used for drinks, desserts, and traditional remedies. In conclusion, although the arrowroot starch production process is not overly complex, it requires patience, cleanliness, and experience. Thanks to this careful process, arrowroot starch remains a natural, safe, and valuable product for both culinary and health purposes.
Drums operate at extreme temperatures, processing thousands of tons of cassava starch, while maintaining perfect symmetry and precision.